Thought of the week. What sector of crypto will lead the recovery? The options are Bitcoin, Ethereum, DeFi, meme coins, NFTs, and other. So tell us what you think. Go to menti.com. The code is 4967778. Bill, what do you think about this? Which sector do you think is going to lead the recovery?
Well, I mean, I've got to go with DeFi, right? I mean, I've seen statistics that I don't have it exactly. I tried to get it just now on the stream that like the volume being moved, say through Sushi Swap, is greater than its market cap, right? Cash flow positive DeFi coins have been destroyed. And the only thing that's changed is price. So if everyone's been forced out of these DeFi coins, and that's the trade, the mother of all trades for the next 12 months, I actually think DeFi is going to actually start rallying before Bitcoin and ETH, only because once the selling is over, you know, when new buyers come in, there won't be any sellers to meet them.
All right. Thank you, Bill. Let's go to Forrest.
Yeah, so it depends on when the recovery is. If the recovery is fast, I think Bitcoin will lead it. Right now, all of the FUD that we saw in the crash that we saw was all centered around Bitcoin, Bitcoin sustainability, Bitcoin centralization in China, USDT not being, Tether not being pegged to really anything or backed by anything, which is mainly a Bitcoin problem. All the FUD that crashed the market was surrounded by Bitcoin crashing. We saw a ton of cryptocurrencies, altcoins want to blast off right. Even as Bitcoin was crashing, we saw Aave go to like 660. We saw Ethereum top out after Bitcoin topped out, right? All these altcoins wanted to blast off, but they essentially had to listen to Bitcoin because Bitcoin was crashing. So if we see a retest and we get through the retest, I think that recovery will be led by Bitcoin, and then DeFi and Ethereum will then have permission to go to the moon. But if we go into a bear market or a consolidation phase for the next couple months, or even towards the end of the year or the beginning of next year, I think at that point, there's so many positive catalysts for Ethereum, EIP 1559, moving to proof of stake, the big merge, that we could see Ethereum and DeFi completely decouple from Bitcoin if Bitcoin can't recover by the end of the year. And that would be led by Ethereum or DeFi. So it just depends on the time frame.
All right, thank you, Forrest. So I'm actually going to go with Ethereum on this. Typically, I would say Bitcoin, but I think we have a very huge catalyst coming up this summer with Ethereum EIP 1559, because Ethereum essentially will become even more scarce than Bitcoin. And to me, it's very hard to envision that not being a huge catalyst. Definitely, I don't think it's NFTs. I think that party is basically over. Now, it might come back and be in vogue again, but for now, I think NFTs have kind of cooled off. DeFi is still very, very positive. I'm very optimistic on DeFi, but I think DeFi will rally after Ethereum rallies by becoming more scarce than Bitcoin. And if we go here to this DeFi dashboard on DeFi Llama, we actually are seeing a pretty significant correction in DeFi as a result. DeFi basically has topped out at over $160 billion. And it's lost over $60 billion in basically a week and a half or so. Now it's dropped to $95 billion. Now, this is not just Ethereum DeFi. This is DeFi on all different blockchains. So they have Ethereum, Solana, and a bunch Binance Smart Chain, and a bunch of other blockchains. So this is all of crypto for DeFi. And I think this is very, very telling in terms of where things are going. But I think with a fundamental event happening that's going to change the history and the trajectory of Ethereum, I would have to go with Ethereum over anything else. So let's see what the audience has to say. Oh, wow. So the audience thinks Bitcoin. Bitcoin comes in first place, followed by DeFi, followed by Ethereum, followed by meme coins, then NFTs. Very, very interesting. So tell us what you think. Do you think the audience was right? Post your answers down below.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.